Hey guys, I want to do a review of my Devour buffalo style chicken mac and cheese. So it has pasta shells and a creamy buffalo style cheddar cheese sauce with crispy breaded chicken and rich blue cheese. Let's try the pasta out here. Well, that's delicious, and I taste the blue cheese too. So I'm sure it goes good with the chicken. Try a piece of this chicken. Chicken's actually pretty darn good too. It has a really good flavor. Nice crispy breading. Yeah, guys, this is delicious. Yeah, I didn't know how the mac and cheese and the blue cheese would go together, but it went well together just fine. Just fine. So for the Devour buffalo style chicken and mac and cheese, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Try it out. Alright, take care, guys.